We'll guide you through how to use fresh animations with Fabric. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Fresh animations go and changes how the animations look. Go and open up a web browser of your choice. Go and type in fresh animations as we're going to need it. We'll just add Minecraft to make sure we get to the right place. We can then come to CurseForge. What you can do is go and read the description here. So to go and get started at the top, you can go and press files. What I like to just go and get the most up-to-date version, which is currently for 1.21.4. Press the three dots to the right and press download file. It's now gone and downloaded, and we can press the back button and press description. Because we're going to be using Fabric, we need to get the entity model features and entity texture features. If we click these buttons here, we're going to be taken out of CurseForge and brought here. And what we can then do is go and press versions at the top. And we need to go make sure we get the right version. So we're getting it for 1.21.4, as that's the version I got. If you're using a different version, use the different version. You can see the game version there. And make sure the platform is for Fabric. So in this case, I'm going to get this version. I'll press download to the right. We've now got it. What we can then do is go and press back. And next, we need to get entity texture features. I'll click there and press continue. Here we are back on Modrinth. And we can press versions at the top. And we need to go and get the same version again for Fabric. So we can come down here, find 1.21.4 and press the download button to the right. Now what we need to do is go and get the loader to run this, and that is called Fabric. So you can go and type in Fabric Minecraft and come to fabricmc.net. At the top, we can go and press download like so, and press download for Windows. You go and get the Fabric API. So click there, click files, and we need to make sure we get it for the right version. And that version is going to be 1.21.4, as that's the version I've got everything else for. You can use the filter at the top to help you get the most recent one. So in this case, I'm going to go and get this version at the top here. I'll press the three dots to the right and press download file. You've now downloaded what you need. But before we get any further, a shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. If you're interested in getting a Minecraft server, I'll put a link in the description and the pinned comment. At the moment, you can get 30% off your first invoice. It's definitely worth checking them out if you're interested. They've got some great features like DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support, meaning you can get the help anytime you need it, instant setup, and many other great features as well. So a big thanks to them for sponsoring this video, and check them out, they'll be linked down below. But to continue with the guide, what we need to do is go and head to our downloads folder in our file explorer. We need to go and find what we downloaded. To get started, we need to go and run the Fabric installer. Go and double click on it like so. And for the version, you need to go and select the version that we got the mods for. For me, that was 1.21.4. We can then go and press install, and we'll go and get this pop-up saying successful, and we can close it. Now what we need to do is go and open up Minecraft. So you go and open up the launcher again, go to the top and press installations. And then what we need to do is scroll down here and go and find Fabric for the loader we got, which was 1.21.4. Press the installations folder to the right, and here we are. And then what we need to do is go and find the mods folder. Here it is. Come back to your downloads folder like so. And what you need to do is go and drag and drop the API in. And what we can then do is go and grab the entities here and go and drag and drop those in like so. Here we are. Now what we need to do is go and add in fresh animations. To do that, press options. Then you want to go and find resource packs and press open pack folder. What we need to do is then go back to our downloads and drag and drop fresh animations into the resource packs folder, like so. Now what we can do is we can go and add that, like that, and you can see how the villagers are walking and moving. It's all a little bit different and more realistic. You can do the same thing with mobs as well.